Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. If you want to know how I got this amazing look by e.l.f. Makeup and M.A.C Makeup, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be using this e.l.f. palette that I picked up at Walmart for like 10 bucks. Here, it's Made for Maddie Nude Mood. And I haven't even opened it up. It has a seal, and I just broke the seal, or I'm going to break the seal. There it goes. And it comes in all of these colors. I really like the blue color, the grayish blue. So I'm going to be using this palette, so let's get started. So I am going to start with the lightest pink of this nude palette by e.l.f. So I'm just going to take my Real Technique concealer brush. I already did my foundation, and I already used my Wet n Wild Prime Base eyeshadow color because I wanted to put that on first, but I didn't video it. So I'm just gonna, I also use this brush for eyeshadow. I know that Real Techniques makes eyeshadow brushes, but I really like this for my concealer brush and my eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna take this pink one right here and just put it in. And I might use my little M.A.C glitter palette that I got, or eyeshadow, to make it shimmery. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm going to take this like tan cream color one, and I'm just going to go like this over it. And then one for this eye too. My hair is pulled back. It is French braided. The reason why is it's hot where I'm staying at in California right now. Today's like the only hot day. So I'm going to be going and lounging by the pool and stuff, so that'll be good. So now I'm just gonna take this like brownish color right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. I'm gonna just take this with my brush, put it on here, do it like this, and I might add this e.l.f. palette that I got from our friend. I have had it for a while. It's e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. That's what it's called. So if you're looking, and I noticed this one at Target for like 10 bucks. But I got this one here in California at Walmart for 10 bucks. So, now I'm going to use a different color. So I think I'm gonna use, it kind of looks blue right here. So I'm just gonna take that, go like this. It's on my brush. Just rub it in. Guys, I'm really liking this one. This palette by e.l.f. I've used e.l.f. products before, and like my bronzer, other things, eyeshadow from them, and I really like their brand. So now I'm going to use, oh, it is green. I thought it was blue. It looks blue in the camera, but it's in like an olive green. So now I am going to go back to the pink that I first did. Go over like this. And there you have it. So this is a Mad for Maddie Nude Mood palette. I really like this. So now I'm going to add a little bit from my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. I don't know what it's called, but it comes with a mirror inside with all these colors like the pink, the browns, and they do have some shimmery, I don't know if you can see that, some shimmery colors in there. So I'm going to add that in there. So I'm just going to take this pink one right here, add it in, and then do it again, or this tan pearl one. Then I'm gonna take this pink one right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a brownish yellow tint. Just put it on my eye. I really like the nude eyeshadow palettes because you can use them and not look like you have so much makeup on, like you look natural, and that's what you want. So I'm gonna add some down there to brighten it up. Then I'm going to use this gold one right here. Just rub it on my eye. Do it again. Same one. Okay, so now I am going to put some MAC makeup on. I'll get it right here. I'm obsessed with MAC makeup. So if you want to give me a gift or anything, MAC makeup is the best to go. So I really love it. So I've used this before in other tutorials, and it's like a shimmery purple plum color. I'm just gonna rub it on my finger like this from the palette. I don't know if you can see that. Just rub it on my eye. Like that. And so now I'm going to put, I will come back, I'm going to put my mascara on. I don't know if you can see how the color turned out, but it's really pretty. So I'm going to put my mascara on and come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result. I did my mascara. I did it off camera like I said I would. Probably one of these days I'll do mascara how to apply for beginners. I just do it off camera, not offline, off camera. So I really like this look, how it turned out. I really would recommend this palette if you're into nude palettes. Also, this one that I used separate, and also I'm obsessed with this MAC makeup. I am a MAC girl. So I will insert a picture at the end of the video of all the products I use. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. If you want to know how I got this amazing look by e.l.f. eyeshadow palette and MAC makeup, please keep watching.